Guys, it's snowing here in Lithuania. Yan guys, i-snow. Merry Christmas. Yan guys, snow. Ay, may skunyelo guys. Yan guys, it's snowing here in Lithuania. Yan guys, snow. Ayos lang ang snow. Yan. Nakita nyo, jacket ko lang, oh. Tapos t-shirt. Ang problema, wag lang mahangin. Pag mahangin, yari. Oh. Yan, oh. Yung main indicator natin, ikot-ikot lang ng hélice. Hina lang. Pati yung bandera, oh. So, yan lang ma-experience na nag-i-snow ganyan. Yan, paligid. Yan, almost sa moderate visibility. Yan, namuti na yung barko. Yan, nag-i-snow. Kala nila masarap ang snow. Yan, snow. Yan, pukul mo lang doon. Yun, meron na. So yun lang guys, ng snow dito. Late Christmas daw. Bye bye, see you.